Hey, welcome back to Spotupp, where we bring you the latest in digital marketing and SEO. Today, we're diving into the top SEO trends for 2025 that will shape how websites rank and perform. From AI-powered tools to local SEO domination, these trends aren't just predictions, they're your roadmap to staying ahead in the ever-changing world of search. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or SEO enthusiast, this video is packed with actionable insights to help you thrive. Ready to level up your SEO game? Let's get started. First up, EEAT: experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Google's laser-focused on rewarding content from credible sources. Whether you're a blogger, business, or brand, your credibility matters more than ever. Actionable tips: showcase author credentials, highlight expertise in your niche, create well-researched, authentic content that solves user problems, add author bios, credentials, and trust signals like customer reviews and awards. The more trust you build, the higher your chances of ranking on Google. Next, AI is taking over SEO in a big way. From content creation to keyword research, machine learning tools will help optimize your workflow and personalize user experiences like never before. Actionable tips: use AI tools for faster keyword analysis and competitive research. Leverage AI-generated insights to create tailored, user-focused content. Optimize for personalization by using dynamic content based on user behavior. Adapting AI tools into your SEO strategy will keep you ahead of the curve in 2025. Third, voice and visual searches are skyrocketing thanks to smart devices and image-based AI tools. Users now want quick, precise answers and visually rich search results. Actionable tips: optimize for natural language queries. Think conversational keywords. Ensure images are high quality, with descriptive alt texts and file names. Use structured data for better visual search visibility in Google Lens and other tools. Get ahead by creating search-friendly images and voice-optimized content. Fourth, if your website isn't mobile-friendly, you're in trouble. With Google's mobile-first indexing, mobile usability is no longer optional, it's mandatory. Actionable tips: test your site for mobile responsiveness. Focus on fast-loading speeds and intuitive navigation. Ensure buttons, fonts, and images scale well on smaller screens. User experience is at the heart of mobile SEO, so get your site ready to impress mobile users in 2025. Fifth, if you're a local business, 2025 is your year to shine. Hyperlocal SEO is on the rise, and it's all about targeting users within specific neighborhoods or areas. Actionable tips: use geo-specific keywords to attract nearby customers. Optimize your Google business profile with accurate location info and photos. Encourage customer reviews to boost your local credibility. Local businesses that prioritize hyperlocal SEO will dominate search results in their areas. Next, privacy concerns are reshaping how we collect and use data. With third-party cookies fading out, first-party data is your golden ticket for personalized marketing. Actionable tips: set up forms and surveys to collect user preferences directly. Use email marketing to nurture relationships while respecting privacy. Ensure your data practices comply with regulations like GDPR and CCPA. First-party data isn't just ethical, it's powerful for building trust and creating tailored experiences. Last but not least, matching user intent is critical in 2025. Google wants to see content that directly answers what users are searching for. Actionable tips: identify different types of intent: informational, navigational, transactional. Create targeted content like how-to guides, product reviews, and comparisons. Update outdated pages to stay relevant and useful. Understand what your audience wants and give it to them. Google will reward you for it. So, SEO in 2025 is all about adapting to new tools, trends, and user behaviors. By focusing on quality content, user experience, and emerging technologies, you'll stay ahead of the competition. Need expert advice to future-proof your SEO strategy? Visit www.spotupp.com or email us at support@spotupp.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Spotupp for more SEO insights. Let's conquer 2025 together. Thank you.